First part of this question is 2 times x plus 4 equals to 12. And as I discussed yesterday, first of all, you have to open the bracket, apply distributive property. So if you want to make a note, अपने लिए अगर आपको लिखना है, आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो कि ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए आपको distributive property यूज करना है. The number outside the bracket is to be multiplied with each number of the bracket. So 2 multiplied with x becomes 2x, plus sign, addition from the bracket, 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. So this equals to 12. Now can you solve this? Gunjanpreet?
Ma'am, yes.
Can you help me continue?
Subtract 8 on both sides.
So this will be 12 minus 8. You get 2x equals to 4.
Divide 2 on both sides.
Then
2,
x comes
2x
out.
over 2.
You can do that also. 4 divided by 2, then 2 gets cancelled, x equals to 2. This is your
X
answer.
equal to 2.
Correct. Very good. B part, we have 3 times n minus 5 equals to 21. Tanvi, unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 multiplied by n subtracted by 3 multiplied by 5 is equals to 21. Second step, 3n minus 15 equals to 21.
Correct.
Then 3n equals to 21 plus 15 comes down. 3n is equals to 36.
Then
Then n equals to 36 by 3 by 36
by 3.
cut by 12.
Mhm.
Answer is 12. N equals to 12.
Samira Preet, beta, can you just unmute and tell me which part is not clear?
Ma'am, A part.
A part, when you apply distributive property, if you want, you can write down one extra step the way Tanvi has written. जैसे B part में लिखा है, जब आप 2 को x से multiply करोगे, it will be 2 multiplied by x. फिर आपका ये addition sign आ गया, फिर 2 next value से multiply होगा. Bracket के अंदर next value कौन सी है?
Ma'am, 4.
अब 2 4 के साथ multiply होगा. 2 will be multiplied by 4. राइट हैंड साइड एज इट इज रहेगी. अब चेक करो अगले स्टेप पे क्या क्या आया आपके पास. 2x विल बी 2x, 2 और x की मल्टीप्लिकेशन से 2x बनेगा, 2 और 4 की मल्टीप्लिकेशन से 8 बनेगा, और फिर उसके बाद ये इक्वेशन बिल्कुल सिंपल इक्वेशन बन जाएगी जैसे आपने पिछले एक्सरसाइज में सॉल्व की है.
Okay, ma'am.
टेल मी इफ दिस इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
चिराग, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you want to ask, beta?
Yes, ma'am. I wanted to ask that now, ma'am, why we have cut it 2 by 2 in A part?
That actually you could have done it this way also. You could have just transposed the 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side, even then you would get the same answer. The way I have done this is your second method, balancing the equation method, where we divide with same number on both sides.
Okay.
It's a different method, but the answer is the same. Either way is correct. Okay. Anyone who is writing down first part? Yes, Sia. Sorry, I think accidentally asked. Okay, Sia.
Ma'am, the answer of C part is -2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Anand.
Ma'am, can I solve question number 3 C part?
Okay, let's. I hope everyone has done the first part. C part. We have 3 multiplied by n minus 5 equals to -21. Okay. Continue, Anand, beta.
Means, ma'am, first step is 3 and minus 15 is equal to minus 21. Minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 3 and ma'am minus 6 is equal to 3 and n is equal to 6 upon 3. Ma'am, n is equal to -2.
N equals to. Those who still have problem, they can actually write down one step here where they are showing the multiplication. The multiplication with 3. Let's just write this down. We have. So when you apply distributive property, 3 multiplied by n minus 3 multiplied by 5. Ekampreet, beta, can you tell me where?
Ma'am,
हाँ जी बेटा, कहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है?
ma'am, B part.
बी पार्ट में आपको कौन सा स्टेप नहीं पता चला?
Ma'am, can you explain me full B part?
Sure, sure. What we want to do is ये जो नंबर है ब्रैकेट के बाहर है ना 3, आपको इसको अंदर वाले दोनों नंबर्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपको क्या क्या नजर आ रहा है? n और 5.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will multiply 3 with n. एक बार 3 n के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लीकेशन आएगी, पहले वो लिख लिया. फिर ये माइनस था बीच में तो माइनस का साइन आ गया. उसके बाद आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया है 3 को 5 के साथ. एक बार n के साथ, एक बार 5 के साथ.
Okay, ma'am.
And when a number is multiplied with a variable, तो multiplication का साइन आप इग्नोर कर सकते हो. ये 3n लिखा जाएगा सिंपली. 3 times 5 is 15 and then you can solve your equation.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Simran.
And I want to ask you that I have done these questions but next method, a different method. And
How
but
have
I
you?
know this method.
Okay, have you divided
Ma'am, I
by?
know.
Have you taken
Ma'am,
the number? Go
Ma'am,
ahead.
I did that x plus 4 is equal to 12 by 2. And then simple cutting and then solving.
That's fine. That works.
And I also know this method. Ma'am, rest all I solve with this method. Like 4 plus 5, 3, p and minus 5 in bracket is equal to 32.
Fine.
Ma'am, answer is p is equal to 7.
Correct. Yes, Anhad. Anhad.
Ma'am, can we do any question with try and error method?
Yes, you can. Angad Meet. B part, we have -4 multiplied with 2 plus x equals to 8. Now we are going to multiply minus 4 with each number in the bracket. So minus 4 multiplied with 2. Then we have addition. Then we will multiply minus 4 with x. Observe, minus 4 is outside the bracket. The number outside the bracket is minus 4. Bracket के अंदर दो values हैं, एक 2 है और एक x है. तो आपको दोनों के साथ multiply करना है. Here you will have to use a rules of integers. Remember, the first chapter was integers and we will be using the properties of integers multiple times. Okay, I think, okay, thank you, Beta, for informing me. Angad, Beta, we can't hear you. I think you unmuted and you said something, but we couldn't hear you. Try again.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer of this question?
Okay, can you just continue from where I have completed like this step? From this step onwards?
Ma'am, can I tell it in my way? Ma'am, I have done the another way of doing
You have done it differently?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay, let me just complete this and then we can get back to you. Then you can tell me how you have done. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but the answer of this question is minus 4.
All right. That's correct. So this is what you get from here. Transposing minus 8 to the other side. Plus 8, you get minus 4x equals to 16. Then x equals to 16 divided by minus 4. X comes out to be negative 4. Okay, Angad, meet if you are unmuted, you're unmuted. Fine. Now, can you tell me how you have done?
Ma'am, ma'am, sorry, I have done the same method. I have.
Okay.
Ma'am, and the answer of E part is 0.
Answer
part is zero.
of E part is
E part
0. That's
0.
correct. Answer of E part is 0. E part, we have 4 multiplied with 2 minus x equals to 8. Applying distributive property. Yes, you can change the order. Who is this? Sia. Yes, Sia, you can change the order. अगर आपको order change करके question करना है, equation solve करनी है, आप कर सकते हो. Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, please explain me D part.
D part, when you multiply minus 4 with the numbers inside, is that step clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And when we have simplified, is it clear till this step? Just observe, look at the screen and tell me if you're clear till this step.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we want to do is the term containing x will be kept on left hand side. So I want minus 4x to stay here. I want minus 4x to stay here. Minus 8 I want to take it to the other side. ये जो minus 8 है इसको मैंने दूसरी तरफ भेज दिया यहाँ पे. तो उधर जाके ये
Ma'am,
ऐड हो जाएगा.
जो हमारा ये प्लस था वो माइनस में हो गया फिर कन्वर्ट.
Yes. Negative 8. Negative 8. Yes. Transposing minus 8 to the other side. ये उधर जाएगा तो plus 8 हो जाएगा.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay. I think the remaining steps are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Good, Simran.
Ma'am, ma'am, I want to answer this question. Ma'am, its question answer is 0.
Okay, can you help me? Okay, help me write this then. Help me write
Ma'am,
this.
okay, ma'am, I had done it, this, ma'am, from D part, I had done it by your way.
Okay.
Ma'am, firstly, what I did, 4 into 2 minus 4 into x is equal to 8. Then
Correct.
in second line, 8 minus 4x is equal to 8. Then 4x is equal to 8 minus 8 is equal to 0.
Okay, what you have done is you have taken this to the other side and
Yes, ma'am.
you have brought this number to left hand side.
Ma'am, actually what I did, ma'am, 4x I brought it to left hand side
This
and
is what
like
will
8
happen.
I brought to right hand side.
Yes, yes, yes. This is
Ma'am,
that.
actually what I did, 4x is equal to 8 minus 8.
That's correct. You can swap the sides. You can swap the sides. अगर आपने लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे कुछ लिखा है, आप उसको पूरा का पूरा राइट साइड पे लिख सकते हो, राइट साइड को लेफ्ट पे लेके आ सकते हो. Means exchanging the
yes.
two sides. You can do that. Okay. So 4x becomes
then-
equal to 0,
X is equal to 0 by 4,
which is
0. 0
That's
divided by 4, 0.
any number. 0 divided by any number. The answer is 0.
Ma'am, can I tell you how I did C part?
This one. Have you done it by taking 3 to the other
Yes.
side?
Ma'am, what I did, ma'am, n minus 5 is
Oh.
equal to minus 21 by 3. Then I did cutting, and minus 7. N minus 5 is equal to minus 7. N is equal to minus 7 plus 5 plus minus minus, so minus 2.
Correct. Correct. I
Ma'am,
would
I
like.
found this way easier.
Okay.
Excuse me,
Gunjan,
ma'am.
please unmute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Tanvi.
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer of E part is 4.
Which part?
Ma'am, E part.
No. Answer is 0. Answer is 0. The way Gursimran has done, you could do that way also, or you can do it like this. Once you apply distributive property at this step, you could do this way. You have 8 minus 4x equals to 8. Did you reach till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we want to take 8 to the other side. Remember, when you take a number to the other side, you have to identify what's the operation of that number. So this is positive 8. This negative belongs to 4x. The negative sign belongs to 4x. Negative does not belong to 8. 8 carries a positive sign. So negative 4x stays here. And when you transpose 8 to the other side, it will appear as minus 8.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I did this way
Okay, ma'am.
only.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
see,
this
I
becomes,
did only this way.
so 0 divided by minus 4 gives you 0.
Now can
Excuse me, ma'am.
Understood, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
please.
beta.
Can I speak?
Ma'am, I have done E part with another way.
How have you done?
Ma'am, I have done with second way, which you have second way, ma'am.
Okay, completely fine.
Ma'am, but you have divided 0 by minus 4. I have not divided. I have done like 8 minus 4x equals to 8 minus 4x equals to 8 minus 8 equals to 0, x equals to 0.
Fine. Completely fine.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sorry, I did it my way only. Actually, I removed minus 4x. I removed minus from 4x.
No problem. Rishit,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to tell you of E part.
okay, we have actually done each part. We can, you can answer the next one. The next question, question number 4, A part. We have 4 equals to 5 times P multiplied by 2. Now what I
Ma'am,
want to
it's
do,
question number 3.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
3.
question number 3, first part, 4 equals to 5P minus 2. There is something I usually do, which you can also apply if you want. It's not necessary. It's not compulsory, but if you want, you can do that. Because यहाँ पे जो मेरे पास equation है, variable मेरा right hand side पे है. The variable in the equation is appearing on right hand side. What I can do is I can swap the sides.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angad?
Ma'am, answer of A part is 14 over 5, ma'am, but in book it's written 12 over 5.
Yes, mine also 14 over 5.
Ma'am, mine also.
Okay, let's check what's the mistake. Let's confirm if your answer is correct.
Ma'am, mine is 4 over 4.
Okay.
Ma'am, my is coming 14 over 5, ma'am. I have checked it 2 times. Ma'am, twice in.
2.
14 by 5 is the correct
Ma'am,
answer
there was
actually.
a mistake.
There's a
Yes.
mistake.
Excuse me,
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am.
yes, ma'am, I
The answer
also
at the
written
back
14
is
by-
wrong.
Ma'am, can we do like a 5p minus 2 is equal to 4?
Yes, that's what we are going to do. We are going to
Ma'am, I
change
have
the
done.
sides.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
have done question number 3 also.
Okay, very good, Angad. Very good. I would just like
Completed.
your attention for
excuse me.
2 minutes and then we can continue. Just pay attention for 2 minutes. Swap the sides means we are exchanging the sides. तो equals to के right hand side पे जो भी लिखा हुआ है, this complete expression from the right side will be written on the left side. ये left पे आ जाएगा. जो expression left side पे था, equals to के left पे उसको हम लिख देंगे right side पे. It's like changing the seat of two students. Exchange करना है. So this is what we have done. Now you can continue. आप वैसे जो आपको ऊपर इक्वेशन दी है उसी के साथ भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो, or you can do this extra step and then find out your answer. Rishit, can you help me write the answer for this?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, swap the sides. 5p minus 10 equals to 4. 5p equals to 4 plus 10 equals to 14. P equals to 14 by 5. Ma'am, can I tell the answer of B part also?
Let's give someone else the opportunity. Okay,
Ma'am.
let's continue. This again, I'm going to just swap the sides before I proceed. So I have 5p minus 2 equals to minus 4 on the right side. Now I can apply distributive property and solve. Anand, I'm not able to see you. Could you? Okay. Yes, Anand, unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes, but
ma'am, 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 part A, ma'am, can we do the there? Ma'am, there is 5p minus 2. Ma'am, can we go? Ma'am, can we take 5 as 4 by 5? Ma'am, now. Ma'am, 4 by 5 is equal to 5 minus 2. Ma'am, then ma'am, 4 by 5 plus 2 is equal to p.
you will have to take LCM to solve.
Okay, ma'am.
4 by 5 plus 2, you will have to take LCM to solve. Or you can form a mixed number and then give your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
So
Rishit?
my answer came to as 2.8.
That's correct.
Ma'am,
14 by 5 is 2.8.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to swap the sides?
No, it's not compulsory. It's not
Okay,
compulsory.
ma'am.
We
Ma'am, we
usually
can-
work. Yes. The way it's given, you can directly solve the way it's given to you. You don't have to swap the sides. I prefer to swap the sides because I like to keep the variable on the left hand side. Yes, Tanvi?
Ma'am, if we swap the sides or do not, answer will be same.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sia?
Ma'am, can I do C part?
Okay. Anyone who is writing down the answer for A part? Anyone who's writing down the answer for A part? Okay, I think the students have done. Sia, answer for C part. 16 equals to 4 plus 3 multiplied by P plus 2. Okay. Go ahead.
4 plus 3 multiplied by t plus 2 is equal to 16. 4 plus 3t
Wait,
plus
wait.
6
Let me
is
just write again. 3 plus 2. Okay, now continue.
4 plus 3t plus 6 is equal to 16. 3t is equal to 16 minus 6 minus 4. 3t is equal to 6. T is equal to 6 by 3. T is equal to 2.
Correct. T equals to 2. Those who have not done this, kindly observe that the distributive property is to be applied on this step, and you want to open the bracket first. That will be the first step. सबसे पहले आपको ब्रैकेट ओपन करनी है, उसके बाद बाकी काम करना है. Yes, Gursimran?
And I want to answer next question. May I?
Okay, let's ask Angad Meet. I think he's been asking me for past 5 minutes. Angad Meet, I'll get back to you, Gursimran.
Okay, ma'am.
Angad Meet. Unmute beta.
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, I want to give answer of ma'am 4th and 5th part. Can I give?
You can give answer to only 4th part. 5th part I'll ask from
Okay,
someone
ma'am.
else.
Ma'am,
Go
the
ahead.
answer of 4th part is 7. Ma'am, ma'am, the answer of 4th part is 7.
Can you help me solve it?
Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, 4 plus 5p minus 5 is equal to 34. 5p is equal to 34 minus 4 plus 5. 5p is equal to 39 minus 4 is equal to 35. 5p is equal to 35 over 5 is equal to p is equal to 7.
Correct. Very good. That was a very quick answer. Wonderful. Damandeep.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Beta
I
can-
have done. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done C part in another way.
Go ahead. Bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have done like 16 equals to 4 plus 3 bracket t plus 2. Ma'am, this is the sum. And ma'am, our solution is 16 equals to 4 plus 3t plus 6. 16 minus 10 equals to 3t. 6 equals to 3t. T equals to 6 by 3. And ma'am, cutting comes, then
Correct.
comes 2.
Correct. That's also correct.
And
Can you
I
help
also
me?
did that way.
Yes,
That
that's
way.
correct. Without swapping the sides.
Yes.
Yeah,
That
go ahead.
way.
Okay.
4 plus
Damandeep,
3t plus 6.
can you help me complete last part?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have to.
Ma'am, 0 equals to 16 plus 4m minus 24. 8 equals to 4m. M equals to 8 divided by 4. M equals to 2.
Okay. This is what you have.
Ma'am, I actually
Yes,
what
ma'am.
I did. Ma'am, I did 0 is equal to 16 plus 4m minus 44. 0 is equal to 8 minus 4m. 4m is equal to 8 plus 0 is equal to
I
8.
have-
M is equal to 8 by 4 and then cutting then 2.
Yeah, I have made the changes. I think this is how you have done. Damandeep has done without showing all the steps. That's completely fine. If you can do that, like skipping the calculations and swapping the sides, like transposing values, she has done it directly, and you have shown all the steps. Both are correct. Both are correct. Yes, Tanvi?
मैम हम जैसे इन 3 पार्ट हम 4 और 3 को पहले प्लस कर सकते हैं.
Yes. No. That 3 is attached with the bracket. That 3 is attached with the bracket. So you have to work on the bracket first. That's why I have written this. The bracket is to
Ma'am, can
be
you explain it?
this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are saying 4 plus 3 into this equals to 16. You want to add these two.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका जो BODMAS का रूल है वो क्या कहता है? This is used, BODMAS, first thing, BODMAS rule is used when you have multiple things going on. आपके क्वेश्चन में बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड ब्रैकेट्स लगी हुई हैं, and you don't know how to begin with, so you follow this rule. So the first thing it advises you to do is to work with your brackets. सबसे पहले आपको ब्रैकेट्स पे वर्क करना है, and this bracket here actually carries a number outside. अगर मैं ये रूल फॉलो करती हूँ तो मुझे ये ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करना है, और इस ब्रैकेट के बाहर इमीडिएटली एक 3 लगा हुआ है. So I have to use this with the bracket and then do the rest of the work. ये जो 4 plus हो रहा है ये बाद में होगा.
Okay, ma'am.
This is something you can always remember. If you have a question carrying multiple operations, एक question में बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं. What you want to do is you want to follow this rule. B
Okay, ma'am.
stands for brackets, O stands for the word of, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Ma'am, I mean question D and E. My B is something different.
You have solved it differently.
Yes, ma'am.
Is your answer same? That's fine. Completely fine, but do share it when I post the homework so that I can look at it and see if it is correct. Okay.
And we did D mass. And we didn't did word mass.
Okay, because you have not worked with brackets yet, so you can remember this. Brackets are our focus. That's the priority. Brackets to be solved first. Like
Excuse
this
me, ma'am.
year, the
Ma'am.
equations you're working with right now, आप जैसी equations के साथ अभी काम कर रहे हो, 8th standard में ये और थोड़ी सी complicated हो जाएंगी. They will take you to the next level. You are learning now, like how much change is there. First exercise में जैसी equations थी, फिर second में थोड़ी सी बड़ी equations आई, यहाँ पे brackets वाली equations आ गई. 8th standard में फिर एक level और higher आएगा आपको. Yes, Chirag?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
Sia, go ahead.
answer of E part is 2.
Yes, the answer of E part is 2 and fourth question is not in syllabus.
Mama, I didn't understand the C part.
E part?
C part.
Okay, can you tell me which part, which step is not clear?
Mama, answer is not coming correct.
How have you done?
Mom,
Did you apply distributive property?
ma'am, I have applied. Ma'am, first I did 4 plus 3t plus 3 multiplied by 2.
Okay, 3 multiplied by 2 will be 6. Then
Ma'am, then 70 plus 6.
how come 70? 4 plus
4
3t will not be 70. 4 and 3t cannot be added.
Okay.
Yeah, 1, 4 and 3t, they are unlike. You cannot add them.
Okay.
Yes, Anad?
Ma'am, but in the step where I have not opened bracket.
You have transposed. I know you have the way you have done, but that's completely fine. That's completely fine the way you have done. I know there are 2 or 3 ways to do this. It's okay if you have done it like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All right. So this exercise is complete. Last question is not in your syllabus, right? Kindly note down that last question is not in your syllabus. And after this, we will start with exercise 4.4. I want you to mark this, the questions which are deleted.
Can you scroll?
Yeah,
I have-
from exercise
Ma'am,
4.
I had already marked.
Page is 91. Page number 91. First question complete, full question. Question number 2, last part is to be deleted. Third question, last part to be deleted. And then question 4th to be deleted. ये 3 question delete करने हैं आपको.
I marked.
Mark. We will continue with the work tomorrow. All right?
Can you show
Ma'am.
the D part?
Sure. Just a moment. From 4.3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. I will share the questions to be deleted in the group as well so that you can mark. But please ensure that you mark in your book. आपकी book में जरूर mark हो. All right. That will be all for today. God bless you, everyone.
Okay. Bye, ma'am. Have a good one.
Thank you, Beta.